Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Transporters decide to withdraw blockade after CM's assurance of passes at concessional rates. Normal transport of essential goods expected from Wednesday. Government to amend Act to levy charges on existing mining dumps in the state. Charges to be levied on dump rejects in non-notified areas, decides Cabinet. Mining dependents to start Dharna at Jantar Mantar at Delhi from Thursday. Thousands of Goans reach Delhi. Leaders to meet PM, FM, Sonia Gandhi. Schools which do not complete mandatory 220 days of academic year will not get grants. Schools with less than 10 students to be closed. And Ecolop delegation keeps faith as Goa promises best ever Lusophonia Games. Athletes will have a great time at Games, says Brazilian hero Bernard Rosman. Now the news in detail. Representatives of different chambers of Belgaum, Kolhapur, Hubli, Karwar met the CM on Tuesday. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar assured the goods transporters to give concessional passes by 30th April. Goods transport from neighbouring states is expected to commence from Wednesday. Prices of vegetables are also expected to be stabilized by Wednesday.
Tax fees collect करपाक जे provision आहा तातून भितर monthly pass system आहा. ती तांचेडे आमी उलयल्या 30 तारखे भितर आमी ती पास सिस्टम अमलान हाडटा. तोपर्यंत कितें करतले ते आमी सांगला हांकां ते इनफॉर्मली दॅट विल बी टेकन केअर. 30 तारखे भितर ती पास सिस्टम तांचे कडेन परत एकदा फायनल डिटेल्स उलोवन वर्कआउट करून दिता. रेगुलर आहा ताका एक योग्य पद्दतीन कितें तरी फी दिवन तांच्यानी मागीर प्रासाचेर येवचें.
Members of the Belgaum Chamber of Commerce, Hubli Chamber of Commerce, transporters of Karwar and Kolhapur along with Goa Chamber of Commerce met the CM on Tuesday in Panji. Transport Minister Sudhin Daulikar said that monthly concessional pass scheme will be started soon.
And ह्या बंधनांतल्यान जो डेली तांचो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट आसा आमच्या MRF आसूं जुवारी आसूं जुवारीक नाफ्ता हाडपी खुबशे ट्रक आसा ते सगळे ट्रकाक कन्सेशन विकली कशें दिवपाक मेळटलें म्हयन्याचें कन्सेशन कशें दिवपाक मेळटलें हे येता त्या 7 दिसांत आमी स्कीम तयार करता.
The representatives from neighbouring states are satisfied with the decision.
We are really satisfied, and he has assured that he will resolve this issue by 8th or 9th of this thing after the assembly and all. And we are really happy. Absolutely, we are not against any government. We are with the government, and we have given that. We also know that it is our duty that if they need money, that is also our share because we are using infrastructure of Goa. But our demand was it should not be too harsh. Now they have come down drastically. They have assured us, so there is no issue now.
Meanwhile, these were the rates of vegetable on Tuesday. The prices of vegetable are expected to be stabilized by Wednesday after the meet. With Bureau Input, Senior Reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
In a bid to create additional revenue mobilization resource, state government has decided to levy charges on mining dumps in non-notified areas in the state. Government will bring the amendment in this session itself. Government has taken this decision following a tussle with the union government, where the state government was not allowed to move the dumps. This crucial decision was taken in a cabinet meeting held on Tuesday during lunch break of the assembly. Cabinet has taken a number of other decisions too.
Dump reject केला ताज्या खातीर सरकाराक power to come out with a appropriate detail here is mostly the approval. Amendment to Indian Stamp Act, and there are of course some correction in stamp requirement of other things like agreement for sale is now 2.9%. Common मनशाक लागणारो एकूच affidavit 2050 जाले आणि agreement for sale of an immovable property 2.9%. दुसरो विषय जो केला तो पास केला ते गोवा बिल्डिंग लीज रेंट एंड इविक्शन कंट्रोल एक्ट. रेंट कंट्रोलर जो डेप्युटी कलेक्टर असता तो काढून सिव्हिल कोर्टाक दिले. अपील इज नाव गोइंग टू सेशन कोर्ट. दिराम काढून उडयलो. म्हणजे सब्जेक्ट टू असेंब्ली पासिंग. ग्रीन सेस सगळे पेट्रोलियम प्रोडक्ट एंड कार्बन प्रोडक्ट ऑल हॅविंग कार्बन बेस विच इज कॉल्ड एज 0.5% टॅक्स लेवी करतले सगळ्या प्रोडक्टांचेर. पेट्रोल साधारण 20-22 पैसे म्हारग जातले.
Mining dependent people under the banner of Goa Mining People's Front will stage 2 days dharna at Jantar Mantar in Delhi on Thursday and Friday. Almost 1,000 people will participate in the dharna. Mining dependents are demanding immediate resumption of legal mining in Goa. Delegation says government is insensitive towards the mining crisis in Goa. Mining dependents are on the way to Delhi. They would also meet concerned union ministers and UPA leaders in Delhi.
People under the banner of Goa Mining People Front have marched to Delhi pressing their demand to start legal mining. They will hold a dharna at Jantar Mantar in Delhi and meet the union leaders. Agitators started their journey on Monday. Some left for Delhi on Tuesday and another group will move on Wednesday. The dharna will start on 25th and will end on 26th April. Goa barge owners will also participate in the dharna. The delegation of mining dependents would also meet the union ministers and the UPA leaders.
या धरण्याच्या दरम्यान GMPFचे डेलिगेशन ऑनरेबल स्पीकर मीरा कुमारी हांका मेळटले. एक डिटेल मेमोरेंडम दितले. त्याच प्रमाणे UPAची अध्यक्षा मिसेस सोनिया गांधी हांकाय मेळपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंग, जयंती नटराजन मिनिस्टर फॉर फॉरेस्ट एंड एनवायरमेंट तशेंच फायनान्स मिनिस्टर मिस्टर पी चिदंबरम हांकाय मेळपाचो हर प्रयत्न गोवा मायनिंग पीपल फ्रंटाचे डेलिगेशन करतले. आयज गोंयचेर आपत्ती येयल्ली आसा. गोंयच्या लोकांचेर आपत्ती येयल्ली आसा. सो कांय तरी पयशे जे तुवें गोळा केल्या तातूंतलो थोडो वांटो म्हटल्यार 5,000 कोटीचो वन टाइम फंड should come back to the state government. This is the call we are going to give to the central government in the 2-day dharna.
We want to attract the attention of all the parliamentarians that in Goa the mining dependent people are suffering. They are not having any income. There are huge loans. On the barges there are 363 crores. On mining machinery there is 250 crores. On truck there are about 1,000 crores. So all these loans, the interest on these are due.
Second group of 75 mining dependents started their train journey on Tuesday early morning from Margaon. Around 1,000 people will participate in the dharna at Jantar Mantar in Delhi.
आम्ही दिल्ली वयता आणि धरणाक रावपाचो 25 तारीख 26 तारीख. आम्ही सध्या 75 लोक आसा.
टोटल कितले आसतले?
टोटल आसतले 1,000 लोक पर्यंत आसतले.
Bureau report, Prudent.
Government has warned that the schools which do not complete mandatory 220 days of academic year will not get grants. CM also intends to take upgradation test of teachers every year. Schools with less than 10 students will be closed. The students will be sent to schools in the vicinity. Government is also contemplating about making schools full day. CM was replying to demands of Education Department.
सांजचो भुरग्याक शिकोवप ना, सकाळ भितर कितें तें मेकळें करप. वरांय जायना, दिसूय कट केल्या. आयज हांवें बोर्डाच्या हाका आपयल्लो, ताका सांगलां 10वी आनी 12वीची परीक्षा एका धपक्यान एका ग्रुपान कंप्लीट कर. फुडल्या वर्सा 220 दीस जावंक जाय म्हणजे जावंक जाय. जे करचे ना पळय ताजी ग्रांट रोखली वतली. हांव स्पश्ट सांगता, आय एम नॉट गोइंग टू कीप क्वायट ऑन दीस इश्यू. वदोळ कोणें तरी म्हणलें म्हाका दिसता गणेश गांवकारान, पेरंटांक कॉन्फिडन्सान घे आनी मागीर शाळा एमलगेमेंट घे. 5 भुरगीं आशिल्ल्या शाळेन आनी पेरंटांक कितें कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवं रे. 27 आनी 30 हजाराची टिचर ते 5 भुरग्यां खातीर दवरूं थंय. आं हय रे. त्यामुळे 5-7 बी अशी भुरगीं लेस दॅन 7, लेस दॅन 10 एक्चुअली. वी आर क्लोजिंग डावन स्ट्रेट अवे एंड वी वील प्रोवायड व्हेकल. थंय भुरग्यांनी येवपाची, गाडयेन तुमी वता दुसऱ्या शाळेत. दर वर्सा टिचराक टिचर एलिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट आहा पळय तशा प्रकारची अपग्रेडेशन टेस्ट आसूंक जाय. सो दॅट इफ टीचर डज नॉट कम टू अ स्टँडर्ड, फुडली इन्क्रिमेंट्स एंड प्रमोशन शूड बी हॉल्टेड. फ्रॉम दीस इयर जून दे आर गोइंग टू गेट 3 lakhs एज अ block subsidy, 2 lakhs to be given in June month and 1 lakh to be given in December month. आमी आनी कांयच विचारना. तुमी कोणाक कितलो पगार दितात तुमी पळया. मातृभाशा हें सोल्युशन आसता, कारण हें सगळें कळटा आसतना मातृभाशेन कळपाक सोंपें जाता. हांव चड MOAच्या हातून वचना. आमी आतां एडवायजरी कावन्सील करतले, हें जातलें अभ्यास सोंपता फुडल्या 1-2 म्हयन्या भितर ह्या विशयाक टॅकल करून एकदा तो सोक्ष मुक्ष कितें तो लावपाचो प्रयत्न हांव करतलो.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.